Hi guys, this is Brick, and I'm here with a General Electric 74333. That's the model number. And I'm going to show you how you can get this motor here to turn. And that's how you can get the flip clock working. You can see that the radio works.
Make you feel good. The music definitely makes work fun.
Yeah, the radio at least works. And everything else, but the motor, this motor needs to turn in order for the clock to work. In order to get that working, I'll show you how, as this is very easy. First thing you need to do is unscrew the screws of this, like so. And now that I've opened the clock radio, let's open this up. Now you can see, of course, you know this thing is plugged in since I got the radio turned on. Here's the motor right here. Just make sure you're touching the motor here. And just turn it this way like that. Just turn it clockwise so it faces there, and there you go, it turns. I already have a different clock radio I bought from Goodwill. I'm just going to set this real quick. So there you go. It's that simple. Now that you got the motor turning, you finally got the clock working on this General Electric clock radio, and that's the way to get the flip clock going, is make sure you get the motor turning. And that's all you have to do. Alright, thank you for watching this short tutorial video on how you can fix your General Electric clock radio that has the motor not turning. This is a really easy and very simple fix. So now you gotta make sure this this clock turns so I can show you that it works. And by the way, of course, the only reason why this was frozen, this doesn't just happen because it's unplugged, but also because of a power outage that happened earlier. There you go. And now you see that the flip clock works. Anyways, that's about all for this video. I'm out.